Zhongshan Huishine PCBA Company Limited was established in 2017 and is located in Zhongshan City, enjoying convenient transportation and beautiful environment. Our company covers an area of 5,000 square meters and has more than 120 employees. We are specialized in electric circuit board of home appliances. We have professional teams who focus on product development and design, quality control and inspection, and company running. Our main products include fireplace, light board, air purifier, portable air conditioner, electric heater, water heating blanket, towel rack, and another electric circuit board of home appliances. We are making great efforts to develop new products to meet customers' different requirements. Our company has imported equipment of SMT, reflow oven, wave soldering machine, automated optical inspection online to strictly control the product quality. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive price. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001 certificates. Selling very well in domestic market in China, our products are also exported to overseas, such as North America, Europe, Mideast. We also welcome OEM, ODE orders. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please contact us. We are glad to work together with you and finally bring you the satisfied products.